Taste of snow today in some areas with a lake effect out there, but the most widespread snow comes in at the end of the weekend, Sunday night. Okay, so let's go through it here hour by hour on Precision Future View. This is Sunday morning. I've stopped the clock at noon. You can see at that point we've got a major winter storm to our south. If you had plans to drive in this area, Virginia, southern West Virginia, Kentucky, Tennessee, down into the Carolinas, travel not advised during the day on Sunday and especially into the afternoon. Meanwhile, here a little closer to home, it's going to be crazy cold. We're waking up in the single digits on a Sunday morning, and we only managed to get into the low 30s in the afternoon. So the snow comes in for us much later. This is 8 p.m. Those of you in our southern counties, so Dover, New Philly, over into Holmes County and Carroll County, you'll see the snow first, and then everything moves up north towards the lake shore over the next several hours. And that snow continues through the night. Heaviest snow east of I-71 and especially east of I-77. It's just going to get heavier and more impactful the further east you travel. Waking up on Monday, still some snow in the area, and that will impact the morning commute. This is 7 o'clock. You can see we've got widespread snow out there, little wraparound moisture here, so it continues through the morning. Even early in the afternoon, I think we could still be seeing some snow, but by the evening drive, it moves out. Then we need to watch for the development of some lake effect, which I think is much more fun to forecast than a winter storm. We love our lake effect here late Monday into Tuesday. So even Tuesday's commute will be impacted by the weather, although it'll be more localized since it'll be in the form of lake effect. So here's the latest snow tracker, and this does not include the lake effect on Monday night. This is from Sunday night through midday Monday. Big winners here east of Canton over into Carrollton and Youngstown. This is our 6 to 10. 4 to 8 plus primary snow belt. That plus sign is there to account for lake enhancement with the system coming through. 3 to 6 inches Akron and South. Cleveland, of course, right on the border with this one. There is going to be a sharp cutoff between the haves and the have-nots. Right now, we'll say east side of Cleveland and central Cuyahoga County 3 to 6. Farther west you go, Trace to 2. Impact tracker also important with this. Sunday night, snow-covered roads reduce visibility for any overnight travel. Monday morning, falling snow, slick spots, wind chills in the teens. And then by Monday afternoon, our main roads will be in much better shape, but still looking at slick spots on secondary streets. And then, hey, there's more snow coming next week. Finally, it's winter, right? Get a little clipper coming in Wednesday to bring us a little bit more snow. Chris?
All right, Sam, thanks a lot.